Hi, I'm Kaylee Rosales, and I have been in the Biomedical Academy program for the past 3 years. Being in this program has really helped me gain more information about what happens within the medical field. As a freshman, I didn't know what I wanted to be or what career I wanted to pursue. By not knowing what this program was my freshman year, it really did put me not behind, but I wasn't able to gain the full knowledge all the kids who did this program for 4 years has. By not being able to be in the first year, I made it a goal of myself to make sure I was in the program by the second year. Once sophomore year came around, I realized that I got into the program and I was so excited. I couldn't wait to learn about the body. The sophomore year class was Human Body System, which was one of my favorite classrooms. It was or course. It was all about the brains, the bones, the way our body works. We learned names for our bones, the brain, what parts of the brain do what, and we even got to dissect in cow eye. We learned about the eyes and all that, which was amazing. Everything I learned the past 3 years, I don't think I would have ever learned if it wasn't for me joining this program. This program has really helped me open my eyes and see that the medical field is something that I will enjoy if I do pursue my career. And within the 3 years of the biomedical program that I have been in, I'd like to say that my favorite thing we have done is our pig autopsy. Now, the reason why I say the pig autopsy is my favorite is because this was the most hands-on lab we've had. We were able to experience what these certain doctors experience every day when they have to identify the cause of death of someone. Now, each pair was given a pig and given the objective to identify how it died. For this autopsy in general, it has a lot of parts to it. So first we have to look at the external part of the pig and examine it. Make sure we are catching all the little details that are on the outside of it and any signs or any things that look abnormal to a regular pig. Now, for our pig, we decided that the manner of death was natural. The reason why is because after examining the internal part of the pig, we observed all of the little organs that it had inside it, and we noticed that the stomach was really little compared to all the other pigs in the classrooms, and it was green and just gross looking. Now, another reason why we think it was a natural death was because its left kidney was kind of the exact same way. It was longer than the right kidney and it was green on one side, while the other was just like a pinkish brownish color. Now, we didn't find anything else wrong with the pig except those two organs. And well, we also noticed that the left lung was more brownish than the right lung. And we took all these things into consideration and realized that it had to be something natural. Like there was no hint of the pig being shot or being beaten or not beaten, but like hit, which is the reason why it died because it had no damage to the skull or anything in particular. Like our brain, it's kind of messed up because it was hard to get out, but it was perfectly fine. Like the skull was not cracked or nothing like that. So, which is why we came to the conclusion that our pig's death was natural. Now, there are different types of manners of death. For example, we have suicide, natural, which was for our pig. Our friends group, their pig was ruled homicide because it had a skull fracture. Now, doing this pig autopsy had me kind of think of something different than becoming a pediatrician. It could, because it's one thing, it's something that I would like to do in the future. It made me research more into pathologists and slightly changed my interest into becoming one. But after doing this whole pig autopsy, I realized I didn't want to be it, because I couldn't stand the smell and I couldn't stand cutting into a pig, let alone that I will be cutting into a human. Like, the intestines, first of all, were disgusting. Now, imagine us humans' intestines must be like triple the size of a pig intestine. And that was a baby pig, and it was pretty big. The growth that this program has had on me is that it has showed me what career I would like to pursue in the future. As I mentioned before coming into high school, I didn't know what I want to be. Now that I'm leaving high school, I have an idea of what I do want to become. I am so thankful for being able to be a part of this program. If anybody has the opportunity of being in this program, please do. It's the best program ever. You learn so many things that you don't learn in regular classes. And it's so fun. All the labs and experiments we do are amazing. For my plans, will be attending Cal State LA this fall and will be majoring in biology. Once I get my bachelor's in biology, I will be transferring into med school, where I hopefully get my master's and become the pediatrician I want to be. If that doesn't work out, then I'll just be an ultrasound technician, but that's okay. A big thank you to Miss Cleveland for teaching us everything you have, and yeah, thank you.